Hey guys, Mike, IronTrap Garage, and we are back working on my 34 Cabriolet. So last video we got the door opening and shutting a lot better. It fits really well here in the front, but this bottom portion is still out over this rocker panel. It's supposed to be pretty much flush with a nice door gap at the bottom. Right now it is overlapping. So we have to do the same thing that we did on the other side, cut the bottom of the door, push it together with the inner structure, tack it, and then we have to do a little hammering to get it to fit underneath. This inner structure was really smashed up, so it's all out of shape. So once that's fixed, there's some patches we need to do at the back of the door and on the front of the quarter panel, and then hopefully this door is complete and we can do some other fun stuff before we pull it off the frame table. So let's get started.
Good job, Mike.
Good job. Mike's girlfriend from not every once in a while.
Nice, keep that around. Spot. She said it's like so much cheaper than what she was paying it. She did the whole, I used to get the work. There we go. Like that first size may be too small. This hole may be too small for that.
Oh, okay. Yep, ½ inch is the biggest one on this. Yep.
At the bottom, tack it to the door skin where there's no like lip anymore to fold over.
Yeah.
And I'll hem the edge of the door skin over. Should be okay. There's some big lock in there. Is it dipped? Is it dropping?
What's that?
Is it dropping?
It's down into the yellow.
I put a few smaller pieces on top to help try and light the big stuff. There's some
More
white
bar
bars.
right there too, but I don't want to go over max over there. I need to get it.
Yeah, we got the welder out, planishing hammer. It's a we're a real live hot rod shop today.
My car requires all the tools.
And, it definitely does.
The real deal piece of shit.
All ready?
Yep. I don't like that maniacal laugh.
I'll do the other one with one shot.
Hey guys, Mike, quick merch update. So we have a new design being released. It is pictured here, wherever I put it on the screen. Amazing, perfectly shitty design featuring Moon. There's two versions. There's a censored and uncensored. So if you do not want the word shitty on the back of your shirt, there's a censored version. They come in two different colors. We have black and steel blue. When you go to the web store, make sure you select a color and select the correct size, because this is a pre-order. We are now doing pre-orders on our new designs. So this design will only be available for a month, starting today, January 31st, until the last day in February, or until March 1st, actually. This design is available for pre-order. So once a pre-order closes, we send it off to the printer. Shirts get printed, we receive them and ship them. So the shirts will ship roughly the third week of March and be on their way to you. So if you place an order with something that we already have in stock and a shirt, I will send the shirt that is in stock to you right away. And then once the pre-orders come in, they will go out. So that also means we are no longer going to be carrying the shop sign shirt, which has the big IronTrap Garage sign on the back, and the IronTrap Equipped. Whatever we have left in stock is what's going to be printed for the near future. So if you want one of those shirts, please go to the web store and order it now. The flathead design, which is on the sweatshirts and on the long sleeves and the t-shirts, they will be stocked forever. We're going to keep that as our standalone design. And from now on, every new design that we come out with is going to be handled this way. It's going to be a pre-order that you have to order ahead of time. We get it printed and it ships out to you. So remember, if you order a new perfectly shitty shirt, it does not come right away. It's going to be shipping out roughly the 3rd or 4th week of March. Just trying to eliminate emails that we get throughout the week. Along with that shirt, it's also going to include a perfectly shitty sticker. So I think it is a $28 bundle plus shipping for a t-shirt and a sticker. And be sure to select the color, black, steel blue, sizes small to 5XL. Head to the web store after the video and place your order. Thanks, guys.
Again. Forget what we did. Did we bend the hinge or did we just lean on the car?
A little bit of both.
Does that work? Or is it still too high?
That red's all delicate. We're just like, perfect.
Yeah, and it kind of fits the car.
Yeah.
That front corner, but that I think needs some extension. I don't know what I need to do there.
Trust me, there's more important things than that.
The door latches, it kind of fits the car. You have 3 hinges. I mean, you're...
All right, so the driver's door is done. There's some work we need to do to the bottom yet off camera to finish up the seam on the bottom. We have to do that on the passenger door as well. We're probably gonna pull the doors off the body to do that, to make it a little easier for ourselves. But the door opens and shuts super nice, opens all the way up, and we did not have to use a rod through all 3 hinges. We just used our eyes and stood far back and we made it work. And it opens and closes nicely, no binding. Look at that, both sides done, and we didn't have to take all the hinge pins out and use a threaded rod. So while that works in theory, we made it work for us without, and this Crapiolet opens and closes nicely on both sides. So we have to make this little patch yet for the B-pillar. We'll probably do it off camera because it's not really good for a whole video. The next thing we're probably gonna film is we're gonna be bobbing the rear frame and tucking it under the floor in the back because I'm not gonna be using a stock gas tank. So we're gonna clean up the back of the car and make it look a little bit nicer, and then we can pull it off the frame table. So thanks guys for watching, appreciate it.